Hey there, it's David again, and are you ready to start printing your own photos at home? Today, we're going to go over 3 tips to get you started printing your own work. Before we get started, you're going to need 2 things: a computer or a device to print from, and of course, a printer. Without a printer, your pictures might come out looking a little bit blank. First thing you're going to do is pull up your Photoshop, and then choose a photo to edit or print. Now, tip number 1. Lighting is always key. A screen is illuminated behind it, but piece of paper is not, or whatever you're printing on is not illuminated behind it. So you want to brighten up your picture just a little bit more than you're used to. Tip number 2, make sure that the picture size that you're editing in Photoshop is adjusted to the same size as the paper that you're going to print on. Otherwise, you can get some clipping occurring on the sides or the tops, and then you'll have a picture that just doesn't look the way you expected it to look. And tip number 3, you want to make sure that all your settings are correct, whether you're using plain paper, whether you're using gloss photo paper, using matte photo paper. Make sure that the settings in your computer are set up for the correct kind of paper that you're using so that you get the results that you're looking for. Now, with those 3 tips, let's go ahead and print these pictures. Now that we got these pictures printed, let's take a look at them. This first one was taken up at Rocky Mountain National Park. Love this photo. I printed it on a 5x7 high gloss. Looks really good. I remembered to brighten it up, made it the correct size for the paper. The next one, this one I printed a little bit bigger. This one's 24 inches by 16 inches. If you'll notice, this one I left a border around the whole thing, and it's a lot bigger. I kind of like the way that design looks because it's able to be hung up on the wall as is, or even be put into a frame and still be able to fit. Alright, so anyways, while I get these all wrapped up, I want to go ahead and give these away to you guys. So if you want to go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, don't forget to hit the little bell next to it, and leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know that you did all this. And then after a little while, I'll go ahead and pick one of you guys that commented, liked, and subscribed, and I'll get your information. We'll go ahead and ship these right out to you, and that way you have them. The last thing I like to do with my big prints is put my signature on it. So grab my Sharpie and go ahead and sign it. And now it's all ready to go. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.